guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video I will tell you the latest update regarding the Blum listing and the main criteria that need to be fulfilled before you mean the eligible, like in this Blum Telegram mini app. Blum airdrop is gonna be huge, it's gonna be amazing. Definitely it will enjoy the community will definitely enjoy it. So before you go direct into our video, without being saying much, if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, here is my Blum point. I have accumulated 862,788 Blum point. So I have fulfilled the first criteria, and then again I need to have at least 1,500 min point, and then again I need to be invited two print. Here is the criteria, I need to invite two print in the Blum Telegram mini app. So if you meet the criteria, as you can see, I've invited 12 people so far. So I have been fully eligible for this Blum airdrop. The only one thing that I didn't get in the Blum airdrop is a min point, but definitely I should get it, since it is not too hard to get it, just trading that I need to do. So when I trade using my Blum Telegram Blum trading bot, so definitely I will gather the point much than the thing. It is a very simple way or easiest way to get the Blum point. So main point in a Blum, just use the trading bot for Blum. So here it is. So let's get back into our X handle so that we may see what they share in the community regarding the Blum airdrop. So let's go and check. So here is the Blum X account, which they have 5.3 million followers. Here's the official X account that they have. So as we can see, they have finished the tweeted that they have made yesterday, right today, 1 hour ago. So here is the main criteria that I've been sharing with you in my previous video. So as you can see, here is the main criteria that need to be accumulated or fulfilled. You need to have at least 100k Blum point, 750 min point, which is main part. So at least you need to have two referrals. If you have got this criteria, definitely you are eligible for the Blum Telegram mini app, and the airdrop is going to be taken in Q2, and the listing token projects to our DEX other product, it will be on Q3. Don't mind with this Q3 it is not mean they are not going to launch their token until Q3. This is the separate, it is an exceptional listing. Without it is not mean that they are not going to list their token on Q2. They are going to list it on Q2. This Q3 they are talking about the main new features that are going to launch in their DEX Blum Telegram mini app. So here it is. So I think here is all what I want to share in this video. If this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video.